This is really super deep. I'm about to show you guys something really cool. It is flowing. Look at this. It's all the way up. Sorry about my voice cracking. Not quite awake yet. Look at those whitecaps. It's literally whitecapping. This says Seasonal Creek by my house. So there's usually not this much water at all. It's probably a 2-foot creek across, maybe. But it's definitely not 2 feet now. So I am going to get some more footage because you guys have got to see this. Okay. I'm out of here for just a minute and I'll be back.